No, God!
Heck, maybe we'll find a clue.
Robots grabbing everything.
No.
No! God! No! God, please, no! 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 No!
毛巾羽毛小鸭鸭，水温刚刚好，泼泼水来做泡泡，今天真是美妙，大声唱歌扭扭腰，我爱洗洗澡。
Yes and no. Short version, they're after the shard too. You mean the Devil's Lighthouse? No. Short version, they're after the shard too. You mean the Devil's Lighthouse?
Hey, come here. Look at me. Hey, look at me. What'd I say? No. Come here. Look at me. Hey. Yay!
She went to church. Oh, DD. Oh, what it is? Oh.
No! No! No!
So bad. At last!
Hey, come here. Look at me. Hey, look at me. What did I say? No.
No, 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 no. Yes! 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 No, 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 no. Wait, 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 wait. Wait, 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 wait. There's no way. Say you swear to God. Say you swear to God.
Hey, hey, come here. Look at me. Hey, look at me. What did I say? No.
No! 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 Oh, yeah!
Excavator.
Excavator.
Road roller.
Road roller.
Grader.
Grader.
Wheel loader.
Wheel loader.
Сигма бой. Каждая девчонка хочет танцевать с тобой.
3, 2, 1, go!
Det här är eventen, vi spelar lite Dota och pushar på och smeker med motståndet vi leker.
I just put this little bad bitch in time. I put some buttons and killers to your hide. I ain't just rapping, you gon' fuck around
bucket truck. This is a bucket truck. It has a hydraulic lift with a secure bucket that allows workers to reach high places for tasks like tree trimming, electrical repairs, and street light maintenance.
What?
School bus monster truck. School bus monster truck. This is the higher education school bus monster truck. It looks like a giant yellow school bus with huge tires. It performs massive jumps and powerful tricks that make it a fan favorite.
No. Wait. Wait.
Monster dump truck. Monster dump truck. This is the Earthshaker monster dump truck. It rumbles like an earthquake and shakes the ground wherever it goes. Its huge dump bed and bold style make it one of the most exciting trucks in the show.
Wow!
Yeah, she went to church. Oh, DD. Oh, what it is? Oh, DD. What it is?
Backhoe monster truck. Backhoe monster truck. This is the backhoe monster truck. It looks like a giant construction vehicle with a front bucket and a rear excavator arm. With its heavy-duty design and powerful jumps, it brings the spirit of construction to the exciting monster truck arena. Police monster truck. Police monster truck. This is the police monster truck. It looks like a giant police vehicle with flashing red and blue lights. With its sirens blazing, it races and jumps across the arena, thrilling the crowd with its fearless performance.
What? 3, 2, 1. No.